Let's make an easy patriotic centerpiece. All right, now that we have our centerpiece built, I'm gonna fill our wine glasses up with some water. All of these products that I use can be found either at the Dollar Tree or at Michael's. That is what's so great about this craft. All right, let's get this last glass filled up. This pool noodle transformation is literally one of the easiest and the prettiest I've seen, and that's why I love it. Okay, now that we have our glasses full, I'm gonna bring in my floating candle, and they do sell these at the Dollar Tree and at Michael's. And we're gonna place a floating candle in each of our wine glasses. This is such a fun little DIY that will make your 4th of July so much better. You can put it on an outside picnic table, you can put it on your dining table, you can leave it on your island like I'm going to do, but look at that. And of course I added the touch of the American flag so we know what we're celebrating, but look how fun and easy this was. Such a great craft to do.